Hello everyone, Sharif Abu Zaid here with a new video, and today I want to show you a new plugin that was recently released into the WordPress space that I believe will save you time and money as well. First, let me show you what does this plugin do. The plugin name is called, or the plugin is called Fluent Booking, and basically what does this plugin do is that will help you create calendars or different types of calendars inside your WordPress website where people can book meetings and sessions with you without the need to go back and forth with them to ask them about the best time for the meeting or the best time for the next consultation session. And actually this is what I'm doing now with my clients. If they like to book a meeting with me, I would just give them a link for my booking calendars and they can just choose the time and date to book a time with me. So basically what does this plugin do is that will add something like this, a calendar inside your WordPress website. And you can connect this with Google Meet or Zoom to create an automatic meeting with them. And also you can choose or certain times or availability times where people can choose the time that according to your schedule, so they don't just choose any time that is suitable for them. You can allocate your availability times to look something like this. And also you can set up notifications and reminders to be sent out to people who booked sessions or meetings with you, because people actually forget about these things sometimes. So we have to remind them and send them notifications about the meetings and the sessions time as well. You can also this plugin will help you like design the booking page to whatever you want. So let me show you something that I have created with this plugin. So this is like a session or consultation session with me, and people, if they like to book a time, I don't have to ask them about the best time. I just give them the link to this page and they would just choose maybe something like this. This is my availability. These are the times that I have allocated for my consultation sessions. They will just click here, click next, and they can add their name and email address and add something like the meeting. Also, I can ask them whatever questions that I like to ask them. They will just click schedule meeting, and then a reminder will be sent out to them when the meeting will come. And also I can send them customized emails. And as you can see, once they will just schedule a time, they will be redirected into like something like a thank you page where they will have like a brief about the meeting or the session, and they click here to add this to their Google Calendar. So this is the way that this plugin will save you time. You can create different types of calendars and add them inside your WordPress website. For example, you can create like two types of calendars: a free consultation calendar and a paid consultation calendar. And this is what I do. I have like at least like three types of inside my WordPress website. I have something for my team meetings. I have something for my free quotations or discovery calls where I can ask people about their next project. Also, I have something like for a paid consultation for my consultation clients as well. I can create many types or unlimited type of calendars inside my WordPress website, and this will save you a ton of time for my daily work. This is how this plugin will save you time. What about the money? Now, if you want to have something like this inside your WordPress website, and maybe you have seen this before, but used or created by another SaaS business, something like Calendly. This is another service that is doing the same thing, but outside of WordPress. Again, yes, you can connect both of these, but still this is outside of WordPress. And if we check the pricing of Calendly here, this will save you you can't actually, this is the free one is not fair enough, is not good enough, because it helps you create one calendar only, but at least you need to have like two types of calendars. If we do this, you need to have their standard plan, which will cost you at least or something like $120 per year. But because Fluent Booking is a new plugin, it is now offering a lifetime deal that has a fantastic price according to my view, because I have recently, like 3 days ago, I have canceled my Calendly subscription because I plan to use Fluent Booking for all of my website. And currently, as I mentioned, the plugin is offering a lifetime deal. If you want to install this in one website, you just pay almost like $100 just once, and you can do this for the next like 3 to 5 years or unlimited number of years. If you like to buy the 5-site license, you can just buy this one. If you are an agency like me, I just bought this license because I like to set up this service for my clients as well. This is when you compare this this price with something like Calendly or Equity scheduling. This is a fair price according to my perspective. Before I show you how you can actually use the plugin, if you like to buy the plugin, I will leave down below my affiliate link if you like to buy the plugin to support this YouTube channel. Now let me show you how you can actually use and set up this plugin. So now again, you need to buy the plugin. Once you do this, you will have access to the plugin files and license as well. Once you do this, all you have to do is that you need to go to your WordPress dashboard and then click plugins and click add new, and you need to upload the plugin file. So let me click upload plugin, and now I have uploaded the plugin files. I just need to click install now to install the plugin. Then I need to activate the plugin to be able to use it inside my WordPress website. Now the plugin has been installed. Let's click activate the plugin, and then we need to activate it to be able to use all of its features. So let's start by adding our license key here. Let me add my license key here, and let's click verify license. And now we need to like do some general or global settings. Let's go to the general settings tab here. If you like, you need to set your admin email, and also if you like to enable like email notifications or summary notification of all of the bookings that happened during the last week. For example, if you like to choose a time format, let's say that I like to use 12 hours format here. If you want to change the name and email address for the email that is coming outside of your WordPress website for the attendees or the people who book the sessions for you or with you, you can just change your from name here and email address. And by the way, you need to set up an SMTP plugin to be like to use another server to send your emails to avoid your emails being added to the spam folder. And the same people who developed Fluent Booking have actually created another plugin called the Fluent SMTP. It makes it much easier for you to set up your SMTP server. I will leave down below my link to the another video where I explain to you how you can set up Fluent SMTP. Now it's almost ready. If you like to add any of your team members here, you can just add a team member here, and the same people can add bookings for themselves as well. And if you plan to use something like Calendly, now you need to buy another plan. If you are just using it as one person, you will pay like $120 per year. But if you want to add another host for your plan, you will need to pay like $240 per year. But with Fluent Booking, I think this is an amazing price for just one website. Of course, you can connect your Google Calendar and Meet here. You just need to follow the documentation, and the same applies to Zoom. So you can just auto-generate Zoom links for your attendees here. If you want to send them SMSs, you can just connect your Twilio account. If you like to ask for payment during the booking procedure, you can just connect your Stripe here. Of course, you need to add your license key inside this tab. Now, once you do this, now you are ready to add a new calendar, and you can add a new calendar by going to your dashboard for the first time. Here you can just add your event details. You can choose whether you want to make this like one-to-one consultation or group consultation or a one-to-one meeting. So let's choose a one-to-one meeting, and let's call this like web design, or let's call this web design, and let's say this is like for like 60 minutes. I like to add a description, so let's add a description here. You can add something like what will happen during this session, and here you can choose your location. If you have connected or integrated your Google Meet or Zoom, you can choose them from here, but because I haven't installed them or connected them, I'll just use like online meeting. I will just add something like www.zoom.com. I click update, and let's click continue. And here we need to set up our own availability. You can choose the dates. I will ignore Monday and Friday. If you want to add another time slot here, you can just click here and add the slot here. So let's choose this one, and let's add it to be something like this. This is a slot, and let's click continue. Now I have 2 slots in Tuesday. Now once we do this, we can just go to the schedule settings. This is where we can set up a time for these sessions. For example, maybe you need to book, or maybe you can ask people to book your sessions only during the coming 3 months only. You can do this here by saying this is for future like 90 days only. So this calendar will work for the next 90 days only. If you want to show or specific date range, you can do this here, or indefinitely in the future, you can just choose it from here. I like to choose it to be like 3 months. Of course, you can set up a different calendar here, and let's click Save Settings. The main setting here is also the notifications. You can set up the emails that will go out to remind people and tell people about your sessions. We can click here, edit. You can, of course, you can edit all of these. If you want to add something like dynamic content, you can just use the short code from here. There is a ton of short codes you can actually add. If you want to turn something on or off from this, you can just turn this. And for this, an amazing feature called Configure Meeting Reminders. So let's click activate this. And when you go to edit, you can set like different types of reminders. For example, you can set up like a reminder that will go out or will be sent like 15 minutes before the meeting, or you can just add another reminder that will go 1 day just before the meeting. And let's click Save Email. Now these 2 emails will go out one day before the meeting, and another one just 15 minutes before the meeting, because we need to remind people of our meetings. If you like to add like questions, you can just add your questions here. You can add different types of questions. If you like to be able to pay you, you can just add your payment settings here once you, of course, install Stripe. And I know that PayPal is coming at some point. For the integrations, you can integrate your calendar with something like Fluent CRM, which is an email marketing plugin. So when someone books a meeting with you, you can just add them to a certain tag or a list inside your email marketing platform. Currently, the plugin is directly integrated with something like Fluent CRM, which is another plugin created by the team people or the same team behind Fluent Booking. But if you like to connect maybe something like ConvertKit, ActiveCampaign, MailChimp, MailerLite, you need to actually use the webhooks feature. So when someone books a meeting with you, they will be added to your email marketing platform or tagged or added to a certain list. Now this calendar is almost ready, and we need to add it to our website. How you can actually, or our website pages, you can do this by just clicking share here, and here you have 3 options. You can add your calendar using a short code, and this is very brilliant because now you can add the calendars if you are using any type of page builders, because all of the page builders, something like Elementor, Thrive Architect, Breezy, Beaver Builder, all of them are accepting short codes. So if you want to add this to any of your or to any page that is created with page builder, you can just copy this short code. If you enable the landing page feature, you can just, if you enable this inside the settings, a new page will be directly created for this calendar, and you just can share the link to this landing page, so people can go there and book meetings with you. Or you can just add a block, and this is the one that I'm going to show you. If you are using the default WordPress editor, you can just add a Fluent Booking block, and your calendar will show. And this is what I'm going to show you right now. So let's click close here, and let me go to all the pages. Let's click create, add a new page, and let's click add, and let's search for Fluent Booking, and this is our Fluent Booking. Here you can choose the web design consultation to show inside this page, and let's click publish again, and let's view the page. So let's go here and let's view the page, and this is my booking calendar here. Of course, you can add a lot of word or titles before this. If you like to add a title, let's go again. Let's click here. Let's click like add. Let's add before, and let's write like choose your time here, and let's make this a heading. Let's call this a heading, and let's make this like centered, and let's disable the page title, and let's disable also the header. Let's click update, and let's view the page again, and let's click refresh, and this is the page here. As you can see, I have my title here, and now people can click here, choose a time, and click next, add their name. So let me add like a name here, add their email, because I'm logged in, I can't add my email, and add a description or I can ask them like any question I like to do, and then click schedule meeting. And now I will be redirected into a new page where I can add this to my calendar. Now, if you go to the WordPress dashboard again, let's go here and let's go to our dashboard. You will find that a new booking has been added to my dashboard. And this is the new dashboard. Once you add one of your calendars, you will have access to all of this nice looking dashboard. If you go to bookings, you'll find that this is a new booking event has been added. If we click here, you'll find all the details relevant to this booking event as well. Of course, you can add, as I mentioned, many types or many different types of events, something like maybe a free consultation, a mid consultation, a team meeting. Maybe even you can allocate something with your friends so they can choose whenever you want to meet, or so you don't have to go back and forth with the time choosing, or how you can choose a time. I think this is an amazing plugin. This, as I mentioned, I have just canceled my Calendly subscription because I plan to use Fluent Booking for all of my websites. Again, there is a running lifetime deal now. If you like to use this for one website, you can just buy this plan. If you have more than one website, you can buy this plan. You pay once and for all. You don't have to pay yearly costs for your calendar. If you like to buy the plugin, I will leave down below my affiliate link if you like to buy it through my affiliate link to support this YouTube channel. Now, thank you so much for watching, and see you next week with a new video.